Ciao, I'm Chef Richie, and I'm here today to announce the winners of the 10th annual Bella San Luci Recipe Contest. I've cooked tons of recipes this year submitted for the contest, and now I'm really excited to get to the 3 that won. Let's start with the third place dish. The third place dish had wonderful Mediterranean flavors. Artichokes, olives, the sun-dried tomatoes all came together with the feta and spaghetti to make a whole greater than the sum of its parts. We know that the feta bake is a trending dish lately, but using the sun-dried tomatoes and the other Mediterranean flavors really elevated it to a new and unique level. So Harmony Wilkins, congratulations, you get third place and a super deluxe Bella San Luci gift box. The second place dish, a tomato soup with quinoa feta topping, used our tomato artichoke pasta sauce in the soup, and in the topping our sun-dried tomato julienne with lots of Mediterranean flavors, artichokes, and feta. The tomato soup, having its other element with the quinoa topping, became a meal. Isabel Minunni wins second place this year for her wonderful Mediterranean soup. You get a $500 prize for your dish. And our grand prize winner are Greek stuffed pasta shells with chicken, ricotta, and a lemony Alfredo that was to die for. The Mediterranean flavors, the combined sun-dried tomatoes, artichokes, and the lemony flavor with the cheeses really wowed our taste panel. So congratulations, Chef Josee Lanzi. You were the grand prize winner, and we're sending you a check for $2,500. Congratulations to the 3 winners. Thank you to everyone who entered the contest. Please look for honorable mention winners throughout the year and keep cooking, everybody. Please enter the contest for next year and have a great time cooking Mediterranean flavors with our sun-dried tomatoes. Arrivederci.